you like to know if Avalanche will make you rich? Oh, I've got to stop doing that. Shout out to Mike Owens who actually guessed it. It was Supperman, the influencer I was impersonating. I did send you $100, so you're very welcome for that. And now we're going to do another one. Which influencer am I impersonating in the crypto space? Right. That is it. That's what you're getting. It's a thumbnail. That's a little hint towards it. So let's crack on to the video, Jacob Crypobury style, and not any other style. So we're looking at Avalanche. Can this coin actually make you rich in the crypto space? We know altcoins are very speculative, and usually we use altcoins to maximize gains and reconvert back into blue chips like Ethereum and Bitcoin, which is ultimately the end game, right? And we can see AVAX is currently $14. And what's really interesting about AVAX right now is they're going to have a massive token release. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, get yourself down below into the Discord channel as well, so you don't miss out on all the juicy insights and all the big stuff that's coming out soon. 10x coins, meme coins, pre-sales, technical analysis signals. We've got the whole lot. I mean, we've got the whole lot. There's not a single thing that we lack. I'm going to show you right here, right now, that we have literally 500 patrons all paying to get some awesome juicy services around technical analysis, crypto insights, and anything else you need. So Patreon down below, Discord down below. Let's crack on with the video. Avalanche, $4.8 billion market capital at the moment. So realistically, can we see $100 billion by the next crypto bull run, which would actually reflect a 20x in gains? If you put $50,000 into this project, that would make you a millionaire if the coin did do a 20x. Now that's of course also subjective around and correlates heavily with the circulating supply, because there are currently 344 million AVAX tokens in supply. Looking at the last year, it's been very sort of rocky for this coin, with lows of $11, but recently we've seen AVAX actually drop from $20 down to $14, basically an avalanche of its own. And yeah, fingers crossed we're not going to see more debilitating and deleterious price effects for this coin. So article, let's have a look at it. Avalanche's AVAX token remains flat ahead of its 130 million token unlock. So more than 9.3 million tokens will be unlocked on Sunday, representing 1.2% of AVAX's total supply. So this is very important, guys. Millions of AVAX tokens, the native crypto of the Avalanche blockchain, will be unlocked on Sunday and distributed to key players in that ecosystem, adding a major 1.2% increase in the supply. The 9.3 tokens entering the circulation on May 27 were roughly 130 million at press time. They're set to go to Avalanche's foundation, strategic partnership, and Ava Labs, as well as an airdrop, said Patrick Sutton, Avalanche's communications chief. So usually these sort of token unlock events freak people out because you've got a load of supply going into the ecosystem, and that's like liquid supply, and you don't know what's going to happen with it, right? And that's really interesting. It's really interesting, and I think looking at the price structure, it does look a bit rocky, and we are seeing some red, but it could also reflect a nice buying opportunity for those that are bullish. So Avalanche, create without limits, build anything you want, any way you want, on the lightning fast, scalable blockchain that will not let you down. So it's really an OG in the crypto space, guys. TVL 1.75 billion, very, very fast transaction finality, tons of validators as well. So it's a coin that I still believe will do a lot of good stuff in the future. With it being a rank 16 token at the moment, you can't really fault it or flaw it in many ways. Avalanche, looking at the last sort of bull cycle, we can see this coin. I'm trying to think how to blow this chart up right now because it's a bit small. There we go. We can see the coin came up to highs of a market cap of 30 billion. So yeah, I think we can achieve that again, and I think we're in a nice undervaluation phase at the moment. Looking at the price, AVAX actually came way above some crazy price levels. Let's have a look if we can get this on video very quickly. We saw AVAX at $130+ just about. So basically a 10x from where we currently are. Maybe there are less coins in supply then, but I think it is still a realistic target. So to be a millionaire, you might need to hold $50,000 worth of AVAX tokens, but to do well off, you might just need $5,000 worth. And by that I mean $5,000, it does a 20x, you've got $100,000 by the next crypto bull run. So it's speculative, could potentially work. I honestly don't know the future, but I would like to think that we're going to see some more big gains for the Avalanche token. Avalanche daily active addresses soar as the network rolls out more subnets. Avalanche's recent reports reveal that the explosive address growth might be related to aggressive subnet development. This has, in turn, brought more utility in the network, thus more user activity. So, revenue versus user activity, we're seeing explosive growth in the network. Look how many more users are on board from those sort of 40k levels all the way up to the high 75k plus levels. The reason of the growth here is that it's because it might be related to an aggressive subnet deployment, which we can see right here from April 2023. Popular Gaming DAO Merit Circle IO is launching Build on Beam, an Avalanche subnet designed specifically for Web3 gaming. So that could of course have a correlation, a tight correlation as well. I also want to show you guys, if you're new to the video, a coin that I'm heavily invested in. $1.8 million raised for it. It's a pre-sale, it's a meme coin. People love meme coins, it's where the cash is right now. So I bought $3,000 worth of this meme coin. There is a link down below that you can check out. Do your own research and due diligence in your spare time, of course, everybody. And yeah, I'm really I'm excited to see what can happen for this particular pre-sale. So have a little look. You can buy it in MetaMask, Trust Wallet, BEP20 or the ERC20 network, and honestly guys, it's going to sell so quick and be one of the largest pre-sales you are ever going to see, with already an over 500,000 strong members community. So yeah, really bullish. Cryptos R Us has also been covering Avalanche a lot recently, so maybe he knows something big is happening behind the scenes for this particular coin. Looking at crypto bubbles, the last day has been quite red. The last week has also been quite red, and the last month has actually been quite a red month. So we're not kind of getting that bullishness we thought we would have. Bitcoin was heavily rejected at $30,000, and consequently we're seeing a drop in the market for the altcoins. So if we click on that month, we can see a lot of coins are dropping. A lot of blue chips, Algorand, Avalanche down 17%, Chile is down 20%, Hex is down 74%, and Optimism is down 35%, which is one of my favorite coins out there. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're sitting at a neutral market again. We returned from what looked like a very greedy and euphoric market. We didn't get to extreme greed, but we came up to 68 on this index. Now we're seeing a neutral market. Will we go back to an extreme fear zone when I will be going crypto shopping again? Because it's time to load up on those big blue chips and also get into pre-sales and meme coins. But you got to do it sort of, you know, you got to scale it with your income, haven't you, and how much money you're making. You can't just dump all your money in. It's going to be too risky. You might make a big mistake, and that could really be a recipe for disaster. So let's remain pragmatic, never risk more than you can afford to lose. This video is not financial advice, and remember guys, we're still early. Look at this, we're still early. We're in the blue ribbon, which is the buy zone on the Bitcoin logarithmic regression band, which is effectively the rainbow chart. The Bitcoin halving is not that far away. We can see April 2024 is when it's going to happen. That is less than 1 year. So it's time to get excited. It's time to accumulate, baby. And I hope we can just all get rich together and make some money. If you're new to the channel, you right there, slap that subscribe button, like, comment on this video. Oh, and let's just have a great time in the crypto space. Thanks for watching. See you soon and stay crypto safe.